To use Phantom Wallet login. Start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to create a password and save your secret recovery phrase in a safe place. This phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it, so make sure to keep it secure. After setting up your wallet, you can add assets such as Solana to your wallet by clicking on the Add Asset button and searching for the asset you want to add. To send assets, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending assets to the wrong wallet. To receive assets, click on the Receive button and copy your wallet address. You can then share this address with the sender. To connect to a decentralized application, click on the Connect button on the application's website and select Phantom Wallet as your wallet provider. When using Phantom Wallet, always make sure to keep your password and secret recovery phrase secure, and never share them with anyone. Also, be cautious when interacting with decentralized applications and only connect to reputable sites. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Phantom Wallet to manage your digital assets and interact with decentralized applications on the Solana network.